அரங்கம் நிறைந்த விசில்களுடன் the dawn of entertainment, the Badshah of the box office, our very own Jawan, who holds the key to our hearts, the one, the only Shah Rukh Khan.
Running with King Khan, bullets rain down like it's thunder. Ready or not, she got the Glock, she'll put you under. You know we game time on the front line till it's over. Deep in the trenches for ya, like a soldier.
First of all, thank you very much, Sairam College, for having us here. Also want to thank Mr. Gopalan and Gokulam Movies for having us here. Actually, have never attended a function for a film like this in my life. So, thank you all the college kids. Thank you all the boys and girls who've come from far and wide. And thank you all the luminaries and amazing filmmakers and the talented, outstanding film industry of Tamil Nadu for having me here. I'm humble. Thank you. Very early on, I understood that some of the finest cinema comes from Tamil Nadu, and I was very lucky to make two friends, and one of them is here tonight, or at least here he was when I walked in. One was Mr. Mani Ratnam and one was Santosh Seven. And I came down here and shot Dil Se, which was my first experience of a Tamil film. And of course, Chal Chaiya 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 Chal Chaiya Chaiya. Then I got to know the wonderful Mr. Kamal Hassan. I worked with him, for him, in a film called Hey Ram. And that was the first and last time I ever spoken Tamil, because I've actually spoken Tamil in that film. And then the greatest of them all became my friend by coming over one night and doing one shot for my film Ravan, the great Rajnikant sir. So I have these 3-4 friends here in the Tamil Nadu film industry, and watching them from afar, I've always wanted, if there was something that I could come learn from the Tamil film industry. I'm assuming all of them who've spoken in Tamil in front of you have only praised me so far, because I could not understand. Except for Vijay Sethupathi, I think everybody praised me. He was talking about some girls and all. And Vijay sir, let me tell you, you can take revenge, but you can't take my girls. That belongs to me and Jafar from now onwards. Love you, Vijay sir. They're such a beautiful couple, and there is a whole new production they had while we were making Jawan for 3.5 years. They produced their own little beautiful baby called Mir. So congratulations. And inshallah, Jawan will do well on 7th September. There's so much hard work and love of all the people from here. But for me, my wife, and everybody at Red Chillies, Pooja included, for all of us, the biggest production for us has been Mir. So congratulations, and nothing bigger than that. There's this little baby who I think of like my own son now. That's Anirudh, who just performed for me. He's telling me that he will miss my calls. I hope he doesn't graduate so much into Hindi film industry and become so big, inshallah you should, that he doesn't take my calls. I'll miss you, my son. So, I've seen him like a baby. Why this kolavari, kolavari, kolavari dee. And from that, and I'm not lying, he'll tell you, from that time I've been wanting to meet him. And Atlee sir told me, there's this young kid, can we do one song with him in the Tamil version and the Hindi version? I said, no, we have to do all the songs with only Anirudh, and the amount of hard work he's put in. Thank you, Ani, I love you so much. And big gratitude and love to your parents, to both father and mother. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Yogi Babu, thank you so much. I remember him from Chennai. He was so shy and so quiet. And I remember I came to market the film here, and everybody was screaming and shouting in the theater. For one brief moment, I thought it's for me. And then I realized, no, they were all pushing me aside and they just wanted to see Yogi Babu. So thank you so much for being part of Jawan. You're awesome, sir. I see Vivek, who's written the lyrics. Thank you, Vivek, for standing by us, doing the whole film together. Sunil Beta, for him copying me in the films and doing such a different role in Jawan. I'm so happy to share screen space with you and learn from you. Thank you so much. And I have to take names of all my 5 girls, and I'm not going to make a mistake. And I need your help, Bhavna, because I don't speak Tamil. So if I have to praise Atlee in Tamil, I have to say Marana Mas. Marana Mas, Atlee, thank you so much. Then one of my friend is not here, Vishnu. He's delivering the film, the cinematographer of the film. He's been such a wonderful human being. He's done such outstanding work in this film, and we all miss him as a team right here, right now. So wherever he is, thank you, Vishnu. And he is Oli Maya Mana Vishnu. Right. Okay. Then of course, Muthurajji, thank you so much for participating in the film, and we call him Gambira Mana Muthuraj. Thank you so much. And Ruben, your name was Viru Virupana Ruben. Then for Vijay sir, I had written, I could not pronounce it on my own. I need, though I have to take all the girls away from you, Vijay, I'm really disturbed. Huh? Atta Kasamana Vijay Sethupathi. Then, Ani, I have a name for you. Vittai Karan. Vittai Karan. Oh, no, I don't want to call you that. This is immense talent. I want to call you just my baby. Thank you very much. Empire. There is Shobi Master, who made me dance like a madman. I told him I can't dance like Rajni sir. I cannot dance like Vijay Thelapathy. I can't even dance like Atlee. I have to tell you, Bhavna, I was doing this step and had red marks for 3 days. I'm going, Zinda Banda. Thank you, Shobi Garu, for making this song and make me look so cool in a red shirt. God bless you. For you, the word is Atam Podam. Atam Podam. Then there is Nirupana, Anil Nerupana. Fire. Anil Arasu, thank you so much, Anil, for all the fire and the safety with which you shot with me and make us look so good in Jawan. God bless you. Nayanthara ji is not here. She wanted to come, but she's got stuck with some Onam festivities, and she sent us all her love. So all the love from Nayanthara to you all, to her children, to her husband, and I call her Vasigaramana Nayanthara. That's good. Priyamani, who's been trying to teach me a dance since 1, 2, 3, 4, and I still haven't learned. This Sanchita, thank you so much. Leher, Alia, Girija, and Riddhi, who unfortunately is playing my mother. But next film we'll work something out, age-wise. All these ladies and girls have been so wonderful, waiting on the sets for me to do prosthetics and all the looks. I genuinely want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you all. Thank you so much. We've learned a lot from this film, all of us from Mumbai, Hindi film industry, learned a lot from all these doyens, Ani, Vijay sir, Atlee sir, Yogi Babu, Ruben, all of you. And inshallah we'll be able to perform our best, and maybe the Tamil audience can make us your own. Thank you so much for having me. And the best thing apart from the talent is you fed me well. I've lost my 6-pack. I have a paunch now. So I have to go and work out, because the food here in Tamil Nadu is the nicest and the bestest and the chilliest.
Tamil makkal kudukra anba sendu kudukalama? Can everybody just stand up and chant his name, because we love him that much?
Thank you, Bhavna.
SRK.
SRK. SRK. SRK.
We absolutely love,
you, sir.
adore, and cherish you. We cannot wait for September 7th. But before that, I just want the music to play once. We just need to see you do that because no event is complete without you doing
Sir,
it. Yeah?
I don't
Yeah?
know. Sir, I don't know Hindi, but I want to say something in Hindi, sir.
Please try.
बड़े बड़े देश में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रखते हैं, सेन्योरिटा.
I'll teach you a dialogue from this film.
Yes, sir.
मैं कौन हूँ?
मैं कौन?
मैं कौन हूँ? मैं क्या हूँ?
मैं कौन? यो क्या क्या?
पता नहीं.
पता नहीं.
पता नहीं.
पता नहीं.
मैं अच्छा हूँ, बुरा हूँ.
Nice dialogue, sir.
नहीं चलेगा ना यार. Let's stick to बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं, सेनोरिटा.
Ladies and gentlemen,
sir.
Running with King Kong, bullets rain down like it's thunder. Ready or not, she got the Glock, she'll put you under. You know we game time on the front line till it's over. Deep in the trenches for ya, like a soldier.
can we please get the director, Atli Avargal, Vijay Sethupathi Avargal, Anirudh Avargal. Can we get all of you on stage, please, for a group photo opportunity? Jawan Army, can we also have you on stage?
இனிய நாள் இது. அங்கிங்கெனாதபடி எங்கும் ஒலிக்கும், ஓங்கி ஒலிக்கும் ஒரே குரல், ஜவான் ஜவான் ஜவான். கற்றோருக்கு சென்ற இடமெல்லாம் சிறப்பு என்று சொல்வது போல், அட்லி எந்த நிறுவனத்தில் பணிபுரிகிறாரோ அந்த நிறுவனம் அதற்கு முன் எடுத்த அத்தனை படங்களுடைய வசூலியை தகர்த்தெறிந்து வெற்றி கொடுக்கக்கூடியவர். தொடர்ந்து வெற்றி வெற்றி வெற்றி, அங்கிங்கெனாதபடி எங்கும் பிரகாசமாய் ஆனந்த பூர்த்தியாகி வெற்றியை தந்து கொண்டிருக்கும் அட்லியை வாழ்த்தி வாழ்த்தி வரவேற்கிறேன். தொடரட்டும் உன்னுடைய வெற்றிகள், தொடரட்டும் 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 என்று வாழ்த்துகிறேன்.
ஸோ இந்த ஒரு நேரத்தில் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமான இன்னொரு நபரையும் மேடை கிடைக்க போகிறோம். ஸ்ரீ கோகுல் மூவி சார்பாக PC பிரவீன் அவர்களை மேடை கிடைக்கிறோம். பைஜு கோபால் சார் அவர்களையும் மேடை கிடைக்கிறோம்.
Running with King Kong, bullets rain down like it's thunder. Ready or not, she got the Glock, she'll put you under. You know we game time on the front line till it's over. Deep in the trenches for ya, like a soldier.
Happy evening to all. Ellarkum vanakkam. I was just telling Shah Rukh sir that 15 years back we had a Gokulam Movies had a tie-up with them. Our first film Parshi Raja, the voiceover was done by Shah Rukh Khan sir. One thing I would like to share you here is I was there at Cannes Film Festival for the film Parshi Raja promotion. That time a foreigner here was telling us this Indian is coming here tomorrow, that Indian celebrity is coming here tomorrow. And 2 days later, Shah Rukh Khan sir is going to come. And things are going to be different. I said, how it's going to be different? Cannes won't be like what it is today. It will be packed. He was saying about what happened in Berlin. There was a top English star. When he visited Berlin, they said the police cops said we should give top security. And there were a few hundreds of people. So after a week, Shah Rukh Khan sir was coming. And they said, again, they said the security is going to be tightened. The cops took it easy. They said it's going to be a few hundreds. But then, believe me, they said thousands of people flocked in Germany, Berlin, and the whole city was packed. So that is the power of Shah Rukh Khan sir 15 years back. Now, in Jawan, I heard everyone speaking, Vijay Sethupathi sir, everybody speaking. I'm sure it's going to be a big hit. Because the name Jawan is close to all of us, close to our country. And I'm sure it's going to be a big hit because he is the Jawan of our Indian cinema.
And thank you everyone from Gokulam Movies for doing this, and Red Giant and everybody who's come here and all of us, all our team, some of the members are not taken the names because I thought they're still working. Thank you. And thank you Atlee sir for doing all this and God bless you all. Thank you.
இந்த இடத்துல மீண்டும் ஒரே ஒரு மென்ஷன், ரெட் சில்லிஸ் என்டர்டெயின்மெண்ட் அவர்கள் தயாரிப்பில் வந்திருக்கும் இந்த படம். ஸோ ரெட் சில்லிஸ் என்டர்டெயின்மெண்ட் ஒரு பெரிய 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 நன்றிகள். அண்ட் இந்த ப்ரீ ரிலீஸ் ஈவெண்ட்டை நீங்கள் சன் டிவியில் பார்க்க போகிறீங்க. சன் டிவிக்கும் நன்றி. அண்ட் இந்த படத்தை வெளியிட போகும் ரெட் ஜெயின் மூவிஸ் அவர்களுக்கும் ஸ்ரீ கோகுலம் மூவிஸ் அவர்களுக்கும் ஒரு பெரிய 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 நன்றிகள்.
மக்களே, இந்த மேடையை, இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியை எவ்வளோக்கு எவ்வளோ நம்ம என்ஜாய் பண்ணோமோ அதை விட வேற லெவல் என்டர்டெயின்மெண்ட் உங்களுக்காக காத்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கு. செப்டம்பர் 7ஆம் தேதி திரைக்கு போய், தியேட்டர்ஸ்க்கு போய் உங்களோட ஃபேமிலியோட, ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட ஜவானை உங்களுக்கு பிடித்த மொழியில நீங்க பாருங்க. அண்ட் ஐம் ஷோர் யூ வில் நாட் பி டிசப்பாயிண்டட். ஸ்ரீ கோகுலம் மூவிஸ் இந்த படத்தை ரிலீஸ் பண்றாங்க. தமிழ்ல பிரத்யேகமா ரொம்ப பெரிய லெவல்ல ரிலீஸ் பண்றாங்க ஸ்ரீ கோகுலம் மூவிஸ். அவங்களுக்கு எங்களுடைய நன்றிகளை தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறோம். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் ஃபார் பீங் அ பிக் பில்லர் ஆஃப் சப்போர்ட்.